As the adage goes, every dog has its day. It is particularly true about Shiba Inu, a cryptocurrency named after and based on the Japanese dog breed. Since its introduction to the crypto world, the coin has grown at an astounding rate, garnering attention from investors and enthusiasts alike. But what is the SHIB coin? How does it work? Is SHIB a good investment in 2022? To find out, keep on watching this video. Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Animations, the channel where we explain to our viewers the different types of cryptocurrencies and everything new investors should know. In today's video, we will talk about what SHIB is. So be sure to be attentive because you clearly don't want to miss out on an amazing opportunity to win a giveaway of a $25 crypto coin of your choice. Also, if you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell so you never miss any of our uploads. Now with the intro out of the way, let's get into our topic for today. Shiba Inu is the original Japanese dog breed used as Dogecoin symbol. In 2020, an anonymous person or group called Ryoshi created a token named after the animal to continue the series of dog meme cryptocurrencies. After gaining a lot of value in 2021, it officially became Dogecoin's rival, leading Floki Inu, Akita Inu, and Dogelon Mars. The Shiba Inu ecosystem is based on the guiding principles described in the WOOF paper, the canine version of a white paper that highlights cryptocurrency project outlines and roadmaps. SHIB is an Ethereum-based ERC20 token, and Ethereum was chosen over other platforms because it is already robust, secure, well-established, and allows for actual decentralization. In the range of 1 year, from August 2020, when the cryptocurrency was created, until October 2021, the SHIB coins raised from a low of $0.00000000056 to an all-time high of $0.0008616, rising an incredible 150 million%. Its popularity and success are mainly due to the large cryptocurrency community of SHIB supporters, the so-called SHIB Army, and online influencers that help pump the price. The cryptocurrency's official Twitter account, for instance, is followed by 2.2 million people, more than other top coins like Solana or Cardano or even Ethereum. Overall, SHIB's price gained more than 27 million% from January to October 2021. For a long time, the SHIB token has been regarded as a pump-and-dump cryptocurrency, mainly because it's been hard for users in the real world to grasp its utility. However, its website mentions that the Shiba token is a decentralized meme token that evolved into a vibrant ecosystem and got to the heart of its people because the dog breed's popularity resonated with the crypto community. Meme coins are famous for being driven by their community support more than anything else. This concept is what mainly drives their development and their price. While many do not see the utility in such a purpose, members of the community believe this is what actual decentralization should be and what will help cryptocurrencies grow. The crucial concept is that no central authority controls the destiny of the coin. Instead, a community of supporters leads it to succeed, which many believe is an empowering notion. The official Shiba token website mentions the project is an experiment in decentralized spontaneous community building to give power back to the average person. It resonates with the rise in popularity of meme stocks at the beginning of 2021 when GME, which is GameStop Core, proved the power of decentralization to the world. Shiba Inu is considered the Dogecoin killer as its team believes its value will overtake the value of Dogecoin. Starting with what they have in common, we highlight that they both originate from the Shiba Inu dog breed, which has become a popular meme. They both have a significant community of loyal fans who support and determine their success. Both cryptocurrencies rely primarily on the publicity that influencers provide through popular social media like Twitter and Facebook, where often their goals and developments are also announced. The first unique component of the Shiba Inu ecosystem is its total supply. An impressive 1 quadrillion SHIB tokens were minted at inception in August 2020, the highest number of coins ever generated in crypto space. Following SHIB's launch, 50% of Shiba Inu's supply was locked in the decentralized exchange Uniswap. Here, users perform automated transactions between cryptocurrency tokens on the Ethereum blockchain and earn and swap cryptos through smart contracts. The system is also known as an automated market maker protocol that incentivizes users to become liquidity providers in exchange for a share of transaction fees and free tokens. SHIB's Ryoshi transferred the other half of the token supply to Vitalik Buterin, apparently hoping he would lock them away forever. This decision sparked criticism in the crypto ecosystem. Why transfer an amount this large to someone this wealthy, and what would he do with it? Buterin appeased the community when he devolved half of his holdings to the India COVID Relief Fund. However, he was still holding 45% of total SHIB supply, raising doubts about the true decentralization of SHIB and its susceptibility to future volatility. After receiving considerable objections, Ethereum's co-founder completed a record-breaking burn of 410.24 trillion SHIB, which equaled to 40% of the total supply, which was removed from circulation for good. How many Shiba Inu coins are burned in total? About 41% of coins are burned, meaning they are no longer in circulation, including the large amount sent to Buterin, who then burned most of them as mentioned before. SHIB is not the only canine cryptocurrency sent to Ethereum's co-founder. Dogelon and Akita Inu, to name a few, were also sent to Buterin's crypto address in a move to gain some publicity due to the popularity of the prominent figure. The decision to send 50% of the coins in circulation to Buterin was probably hazardous and not compliant with the blockchain standards of decentralization. However, in the words of the developers, in regards to the generous delivery to Vitalik, there is no greatness without a vulnerable point, and as long as VB doesn't rug us, then Shiba will grow and survive. The Shiba Inu project prioritizes decentralization and community, with the project run by the community. The SHIB token started with a 1 quadrillion maximum supply. The India COVID Relief Fund received a donation of 50.7 trillion SHIB tokens from Buterin, valued at about $1 billion at the time. Buterin later also burned 410.24 trillion SHIB tokens. The Shiba Inu ecosystem includes a number of components, including ShibaSwap, an Ethereum-based decentralized exchange. The Shiba World has two key assets other than SHIB, called Leash and Bone. Leash has a token supply of 107,647, while 250 million Bone tokens exist. ShibaSwap is an automated market maker that allows staking, also known on the platform as burying, and the ability to provide liquidity, called digging. Keeping up with the dog theme, users can bury and dig SHIB, Leash, and Bone. The Shiba Inu tokenomics depend on the following three tokens. Shiba Inu. This is the project's predominant currency, which had a total supply of 1 quadrillion tokens when it was launched. It can be exchanged with any of the ERC20 tokens of the Ethereum ecosystem. Leash. As a second token in the Shiba Inu ecosystem, Leash has a total supply of only 107,646 tokens, and was initially a rebase token tied to the price of Dogecoin. A rebase token has a flexible monetary base in that its supply is set to increase or decrease to adjust the token price without affecting the value of any one share of coins. The rebase function was later switched off for good, and the token went back to its ERC20 design. Bone. Only available on ShibaSwap and with a total supply of 250 million tokens, Bone is intended to fit between the other two tokens in terms of circulation supply. It is a governance token that will allow the Shiba Army to vote on proposals in 2022. The more Bone users possess, the more weight their vote will carry in the decision process of future projects. Also, the Shiba Inu ecosystem also includes the following tools. ShibaSwap. The decentralized exchange for decentralized finance is where users should find a secure place to trade cryptocurrencies without the limits of a centralized platform. We'll dig deeper into this concept below. Shiba Inu Incubator. Previously known as the Artist Incubator, this is where the talented people of the SHIB Army can express their creativity and build their artworks. Shiboshis. Shiboshis are 10,000 NFTs that are generated on the Shiba Inu ecosystem and permanently recorded on the Ethereum blockchain, with different features that make each of them unique and collectible. They can be purchased and traded on the popular NFT platform OpenSea and ShibaSwap without fees. Most of Shiba Inu's popularity is based on hype. According to NASDAQ, the fear of missing out is emotionally taxing on investors. As you see others making money off SHIB, you may be tempted to invest in it too. However, for most investors, the risk-reward profile of Ethereum, Bitcoin, and larger altcoins, such as Cardano, have been more viable than Shiba Inu. If you want to buy a few coins for fun, go ahead, but you should not invest heavily into SHIB, since it may be worth little, if anything at all, in the future. Also, Shiba Inu's price fell significantly in the first week of November. While regular market volatility definitely had a role to play in this decline, the fall is being attributed to a mysterious billionaire. Well, guys, that's all we have for you today. What are your thoughts on SHIB? Let us know in the comment section down below. If you guys like this video, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you don't want to miss out on any new future videos, then be sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification under this video so that you're notified the next time we upload a video on the latest cryptocurrency news. Thank you for watching. We hope you have a great day today, and as always, We'll see you in the next video.